Action on Jordan.
Hi, my name's Eloise and I play Jordan in Gatsby's. I think that the character of Jordan is very feisty and very strong. She's a very strong, independent woman. Her role in the play is she's Nick Carraway's former fling, and then I think she makes it clear throughout the play that she clearly wants him back and that she's trying to sort of flirt with him quite a lot. She's also very good friends with Daisy, who is Gatsby's lover. They have quite like a strong relationship. They always talk to each other.
How you took on the character of Jordan?
Well, through watching the play with the Great Gatsby play with Leonardo DiCaprio, Jordan was very very sneaky, very flirty, very strong, and I sort of tried to build on those sorts of characteristics, and I think that's throughout the rehearsal process, that's sort of coming out in my performance more and more, and that's definitely a significant thing that I think I should show. Come and see Gatsby's, Thursday 10th of May, 7 o'clock in the PG. Do not miss it, because Gatsby's is the place to be! Yeah!
And